Welcome to What Gear, and there's another new announcement from Sony. You already know what it is, you saw the thumbnail. It's the WI-1000XM2 neckband style headphones, and I just tested these out right now, and it's quite noisy here, and the noise reduction that these can do is on par with the WF-1000XM3s, which are really awesome as well. The main difference between this and using an earbud style is you've got this neckband, so it's really secured. So if you're going to be doing sports and stuff like this might be the better option for you. They're incredibly comfortable, and of course, because they've got these arms down the side, they've got better battery life. So you're going to get around 100 hours standby time. You're going to get 10 hours playback with the noise cancelling on, and you're going to get around 16 hours if you're not using noise cancelling. And it's got the same QN1 chip as in the WF-1000XM3s, and my favourite headphones, the Sony WH-1000XM3s. I was hoping to see the XM4s here at the show, but I guess they're saving those for Christmas. But anyway, these headphones are pretty awesome. You've got control on the headband itself. The weight of them are really nice. The case it comes with is also very, very nice, and they come in two colors, so you've got the grey and the black. I'm going to do my best to get some of these to review for you guys, so stick around. If you enjoyed this quick look at the new WI-1000XM2s, make sure you subscribe, turn on your notifications for more videos like this in the future, and stick around for more content coming from me for very, very soon.